As India reports more cases of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, what is going to be key in the days and weeks ahead is to increase genome sequencing. Well, there are very few labs right now that do genome sequencing, but additionally, there are bottlenecks even in the existing labs. Meher Pandey reports.
In the past 6 months, 10 more labs have joined the consortium monitoring mutations in the virus INSACOG, taking the total labs involved to now 38. This is a key step in monitoring Omicron cases. But are these genome sequencing labs being able to test fast enough to delay the spread as much as possible? This one at the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in New Delhi has sequenced around 300 samples since Omicron was declared a variant of concern. The process is slow and detailed, which at this lab takes at minimum 7 days. Capable of sequencing 384 genomes in a week, this past week they sequenced only 177. This is because these scientists are not receiving as many test samples as they need to fill their sequencing machines completely. COVID testing has dropped since the second wave. There are also bottlenecks. The speed of sequencing is subject to the number of quality samples available for study. Sequencing is conducted in large batches because the materials needed are very expensive.
If there is urgency, for example, or we do not have enough samples, we do run it with lesser number of samples. Instead of 384, we will be getting the data for the 50 samples or the 20 samples. There is no compromise on the quality because of the number. It's just a wastage of resources.
The cost of sequencing 384 samples together is Rs 5,000 per sample. But if the machine is half full, then the cost per sample doubles. But amid the Omicron concern, this lab says they are studying each sample they receive no matter the cost. The virus mutates all the time, but the reason Omicron is a variant of concern is because it has 30 to 35 mutations on only the spike protein, which allows it to enter the human cell.
We would like to run the machine 24/7, okay, so that as many sequencing is done. The colored part are the mutations that are caused, okay, and the green part is the human cell part to which it attaches. If something goes wrong in this part, it won't attach or attach very aggressively so that it can gain entry into the cell very effectively compared to other viruses. This is basically a family tree of all the coronavirus sequence that you can see. From the day 1 to the currently updated data. Okay. You will see Omicron here if the Omicron data is fed into this particular graph. These different colors means different lineages. Okay. So this means the virus has kept the evolution game up. It keeps on evolving into different lineages, and each lineage, as we have seen in the past, has slightly different clinical characteristics or differences in its transmissibility also. Okay. For example, the Delta was much more transmissible than the Alpha or the Beta viruses, and the reports which are confirming that the Omicron is much more transmissible than the Delta also.
Another key bottleneck is that 5 to 10% of the samples these scientists receive don't pass quality checks and can't be sequenced.
We take care at multiple steps whether the QC, by QC is the quality check is going okay or not, whether the sample that we get from the patient is of good enough quality to proceed with the RNA isolation part. Sometimes for example, swabbing is not done properly.
Right now, the impact of the Omicron variant on disease severity is a question mark. Testing as many patients as possible and linking each patient's clinical profile to their sequencing analysis would help in answering this question. But 80% of samples this lab sequences come from ICMR testing centers that don't collect enough data to monitor a patient post-testing.
India's genome sequencing effort is picking up, but there are still multiple bottlenecks. Apart from addressing this, there needs to be systemic use of the data collected to understand how each variant impacts the disease severity. With Azam Siddiqui, Meher Pandey, NDTV.